Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate your pets and grow a garden. First, understand the core mechanics of this exciting feature. You'll need to gather specific in-game resources, such as 5 rare seeds and 3 energy crystals, which are crucial for the process. Then, prepare a dedicated space in your garden, ensuring it has enough room for new additions. This initial setup is vital for a smooth and successful duplication experience, setting the stage for your growing pet family. Now, let's dive into the duplication process itself. Begin by carefully placing your chosen pet into the designated duplication zone within your garden. Next, activate the duplication device. This requires consuming the previously gathered energy crystals, typically 3 units per cycle. Observe the progress bar as the device works its magic. A full cycle usually takes about 10 in-game minutes. Patience is key here, as rushing can sometimes lead to unexpected results. Soon, you'll see the magic unfold. To optimize your pet duplication, consider these valuable tips. Ensure the environmental conditions around your duplication device are ideal, maintaining a consistent temperature of 25 degrees Celsius for faster results. Utilize specific upgrades, like the Growth Catalyst module, which can enhance duplication speed by an impressive 20%. Also, closely monitor your pet's happiness levels throughout the process. A happy pet is more likely to duplicate successfully, preventing any negative outcomes or failed attempts. These steps maximize your efficiency. Once the duplication cycle is complete, it's time to collect your newly duplicated pets from the device. Gently retrieve them and integrate these new companions into your existing garden ecosystem. Remember to manage their resources, providing adequate food and shelter for each new addition. Ensure their well-being by regularly interacting with them and assigning them tasks. With careful management, your garden will flourish with a vibrant and growing family of pets, bringing even more joy and productivity to your virtual world.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.